Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix runtime error code is 217 in Windows 11. So how to fix this problem? This is very easy and a quick way I will show you to fix this problem. So firstly you need to search this CMD. So type here, click on search, now type CMD. Now here click on run as administrator. Just click on it. Now here need to type this command line sfc /scan. Now press enter in your keyboard. Now wait till this process will be complete. If this process will be 100%, going to type this second command. If you comment, so I will give in decision box. So to just copy and paste this command. So comment me. Second command is this. So comment me, I will give in decision box. After this both process will be complete. This both command process will be complete. So close it. Now restart your PC or laptop, and after restart you can easily resolve this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching again.